Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a drafting command is today discuss here. Guys, first lecture is start here a drafting command one by one and how to easily use or how to easily work a drafting command and all command is learn here easily, and drafting command is any sheet or drawing a very nice looking here, and any sheet create a basic to a start drawing here. Okay, at first any body, any 3D body is drawing here, and then use a drafting command drafting. Okay, at first drawing a any 3D body drawing a, you can see here, you can see easily look very nice, and this 3D part is drawing here, and this is a very easily and clearly a drafting command is used and create a sheet. Okay, at first click a mechanical design and use a drafting. Okay, this is a very nice, this icon is this new drawing creation dialog box is pop up and select automatic layout. At first select first is a empty sheet, and second is all view, and third is front, bottom and right view. Okay, and this is a front view, top view and left view. Okay, this is a sheet, and sheet you can see here easily a standard ISO format A3 ISO and paper size. Okay, paper size is 297 and multiply for 20 millimeter, global scale 1:1. Okay, you can see here easily drawing here, and any change and modify this, click a modify. Okay, this is a ISO standard, and any change here ANSI, ASME, ISO 3D, ISO 3D DS, and any you can see here change the, okay, clearly change. And okay, sheet this is a standard, any easily change here. Okay, and this is a sheet style easily change here. Okay, A2 ISO, A3 ISO, A4 size looking page very nice, and A3 is also very nice, and one by one is discussed here create a sheet. Okay, this body is a create a sheet. Okay, all is okay, then perfect A3. Okay, this is a correct, and click okay. Okay, okay, at first create this body and select this empty sheet, and then next this is a this front view and top view and left view is clicking here, this is a this. Okay, one by one is clicking here and create here. Okay, at first empty sheet is drawing here, click okay, this is a sheet created here. Okay, all is you can see here easily, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay guys, any command is not show here easily, then at first click here, this is a insert. Okay, this is a tool and customize going to, and this is a toolbar, and you can see here is a this is a restore position, click here and okay. Okay, close here. Okay, then this is a very useful all command you can see here easily. Okay, any hide command, but this process is customized process is used, then all command you can see here easily. So okay, this is a perfect body is a, this is a nice here and also usable, this is a perfect here. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a very nice, you can see here. Okay, this is a perfect body you can see here, draw here. Okay, and at this is a projection. Okay, projection is a very useful, and this is a front view, and this is a unfolded view, and this is a view from 3D, and this is a projection view. Okay, projection view is very nice, and this is isometric view. And today discuss here a front view and projection view and isometric view, and this body is draw a seat. Okay, at first click a front view, and okay, this click here, and this window. Okay, 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 this is a at first front view is click here, and we going to draw window. Okay, and this part, this body is a drawing here part 3. Okay, you can see here easily part 3, and go to this body, you can see here, and any select this face, click here, and this is a front view. Okay, and okay, this is a very nice, you can see here, and this is a icon is showing here this is a okay, this is a body is okay, this is a click. Okay, this is a nice looking here, and this body is a correct. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this body is a click here, this is a front view, and okay, this body is a okay, this is a very nice is looking here. Seat is a fit all in. Okay, this is a correct, and okay, this body is a front view drawing here. Okay, so this is a delete here, and again try here, again try. Okay, front view, and okay, window, this body, and click this part. Okay, this is a correct, and this is a front view. Okay, and click here middle point. Okay, 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 this is a fit all in. Okay, and again select here a projection view, then all body is a this is a left view, and again select a projection view, this is a top view. Okay, all is a correct. Front, this is a front view, this is a top view, and this is a left view. Okay, 3 is all is drawing here easily one by one. Okay, and again this is a perfect isometric view is click here, and then window and part, any body a save here, this body a save here part 3. Okay, and this is a anywhere click here, and this is a isometric view. Okay, okay, this is a correct. Okay, but no space, you can see here, then click a seat, and size is increase this seat a property, going to property, and this is a isometric. Okay, this is a A2 size here, correct. Okay, okay, this is this property is pop up, and this is a learning a very nice here. This is a portrait, and this landscape, this body is a landscape, and this a portrait here okay, this body is a landscape is a width is more and height is less. Okay, and portrait is a start here, width is less and height is more. Okay, then again landscape, you can see here width is more. Okay, width is more, and okay, this is a okay, you can see here easily draw here, and click apply. Okay, this is a first angle standard here. Okay, apply here, then okay, this is a perfect, and this seat size is a very nice, this is a correct, and okay, this is a perfect, okay, this is a very nice, you can see here, and fit, okay, this is a perfect, okay, and okay, size is correct, okay, and this body and this, click here, and okay, property, you can see here, view is a drawing here, this is a hidden line, all is a click here, and 3D command is apply here, this is a correct, okay, this body is correct, okay, and size is increase, then this body is a size is double, then click here and property, and this is a size is double, okay, then change here 2 and apply here, this body is double but not a space more than easily, because size is 1 by 1, okay, this is a perfect, this is correct, okay, okay, you can see here, this is a body is a, this body is a, okay, this is this body is a, okay, this body is a 3D colorful, then apply here a roster application, and then use a shaded with edge, okay, this is a correct, this is a correct, okay, this is a very nice, you can see here, okay, this is a perfect body, and this body is a very nice looking here, okay, and dimension is, okay, this is a perfect, this is a generate dimension, click here, easily all dimension is correct, okay, this is a perfect, this body and also this body, click here, this is a dimension is a correct, okay, this is not any dimension, all dimension is easily here drawing, and size is increase, then all dimension is correct, okay, this is a perfect, okay, this is a correct, this body is a correct, okay, this is a nice looking here, and dimension is, okay, this is a perfect, this is a correct, okay, and okay, all dimension is showing here, this body is a, okay, this is a perfect, and okay, this all is 1 by 1 select here, and then okay, this is a select here, and this is a correct, and okay, this is a size is bold and size is increase, 5 is correct, okay, this is a correct, okay, this is a correct, dimension is a correct here, okay, okay guys, okay, fit all in, okay, this is a correct, and guys, next lecture is coming soon, guys, I hope you will learn this command is a very easily and clearly, guys, any doubt about today this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment, guys, get at first more and more new videos, please subscribe this channel and like and share, and next lecture is coming soon, and this is a lecture 1, lecture first is only introduction here, and lecture second is also a, this is a advanced level, 1 by 1 is discussed here, okay, Okay guys, thank you.